Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Zoom webinars easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoom website. Log into your Zoom account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the webinars section on the left sidebar. Click on the Schedule a Webinar button located at the top right corner. Fill in the webinar details such as the title, description, and date. Select the start time and duration for your webinar. Choose whether this will be a recurring webinar or a one-time event. Set the registration options based on your preferences. You can customize registration settings like approval, questions, and notification emails. Decide on the webinar settings, including video options for hosts and panelists. Select audio types, like VoIP only or phone and computer audio for attendees. Enable any additional features you would like, such as Q&A or webinar chat. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, click the Save button to schedule your webinar. After saving, you will see a confirmation page with your webinar details. You can find the invitation link and registration link on this page. Share the invitation link with your audience to promote your webinar. You may also want to customize your webinar by adding panelists. To add panelists, go to the Invitees tab within your webinar settings. Enter the names and email addresses of the panelists you wish to invite. Make sure to send them the panelist link for joining the webinar. If you want to practice, you can start the webinar early as the host. On the day of the webinar, log in early to set up and check your audio and video settings. When it's time, start the webinar by clicking the Start Webinar button. Keep an eye on the Q&A and chat functions to engage with your audience. After the webinar concludes, you can end the session for all attendees. Follow up with your audience by sending out a recording of the webinar. Review the webinar analytics for insights on attendance and engagement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.